So we're a little further up the Guadalupe Trail now, and in a set of little switchbacks. It's starting to get steep, the trail. Uh, Jenny's down there. She's standing on the footwall of what I think is part of this La Quinta or Coyote Canyon detachment. Um, this is all metamorphic. It's probably the Plum Canyon sequence. And then across the fault would be right in the gully bottom there on the far side. Let's see, I may have to go up there a little bit further, but it sure just looks like it. And then the hanging wall is a sheared up granodiorite. Uh, I mean, I don't know if we're on the actual main splay or this is a little secondary splay. I'll just have to look at the map. But it is interesting. So this would be the part of the system that is, as the Coachella Valley opened up, and you know, the Coachella Valley extends southward into the Salton Sea and then southward into the Gulf of California. And that's, you know, open, that ocean basin there, the Gulf of California, is opening today. It's been opening for the last 5 to 7 million years. And so, you know, really, we're very close to the plate boundary between North America and Pacific Plate. We're on, you know, Pacific Plate because San Andreas would be out across the other side of the Coachella Valley there, where it runs through, I guess that's the Little San Bernardino Mountains, sort of at the foot of them, or even closer, whatever that, I don't know what the name of that ridge is, just outside of the urbanization there. Anyway, very interesting spot, and we can look back towards Coyote Mountain and all that. All right.